Let's learn how to change name in TikTok, so you maybe have an old account that you made 7 years ago when you were a kid. Now you think it's cringe and want to change it? Or just want to have a fresh account for new theme and you don't want to create new account? Anyway, don't worry, I will show you how you can change both display name and username at once. Just follow my steps. It's pretty easy. So let's start by opening your TikTok application. Method is same for both iOS and Android devices. When you open TikTok from its starting screen, go to your profile page by tapping on your profile icon in bottom right corner. When you did that, wait for profile page to finish loading. Now tap on this edit profile button that's exactly near share profile. And under following list, it will open in profile editor tab where we want to work. After click it, it will lead you to a new page. We are interested in this about you section. More accurate, its name and username options. Now if you want to change, just display name, tap on first option that says name. It will open you a new tab where you can edit your name. If you like the new one, tap the button save in top right corner. When pop-up appear, just click on confirm and you are finished. If you want to change username, go back to about you and click on second option that says username. Again, this open you a new tab with the same things as before. To change username, you will use same method. Just like for display name, click save. When pop-up appear, click on confirm and you are finished. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.